All right, in this video, I'm going to go over how we've generated over $20 million in sales for our clients using this exact same lead generation funnel. Now, over the last 5 years, we've worked with over 25 plus home improvement companies, helping them get more leads, book more jobs, and ultimately grow their business past 7-figure. And before we go any further, I just want to show you some results. So the leads that we generate are exclusive and pre-qualified. There's no buying share leads. So just a few screenshots of different campaigns, different within different industries. So we've worked with, HVAC, flooring, epoxy, window installers, kitchen, bathroom renovators, the whole house renovation, you name it. And this is just screenshot. And these are the screenshot of the lead. So whenever a lead is generated, we send that lead's information immediately to our end client so they can call and book that in-home estimates. All right, now let's get into the video. So now our lead generation funnel starts with the offer, because the biggest factor of a successful ad campaign is going to be the offer. And the second biggest, most important thing is going to be the video ad creatives. So once we come up with a unique offer, then we're going to come up with the video ad creatives. And once we get that video ads created, we'll run meta ads to the offer, which is going to be Facebook and Instagram. And then we're going to be targeting our clients, either city, radius, whatever we can target, pinpoint with zip code, radius, cities, all that. And then we're going to be targeting homeowners who are looking for that specific service, be it HVAC, roofing, flooring, doesn't matter. Now, once people see the ad, we're gonna get them to, tap get quote, where we take them through 4 to 6 pre-qualification questions to have the leads pre-qualify themselves. Now, once they fill out the form, we ask them at the end name, email, phone number, city, zip code sometimes. And then once they submit that lead, it's going to come into our system as a new lead. Now, we're not going to count them as a pre-qualified lead yet, because on Facebook, you're going to have Facebook, Instagram. You're going to have people who will fill out the form out of curiosity. Some are just going to put a wrong phone number, and some are just not serious. So that's why we have this backend automation that runs 24/7, which goes something like this. So we're going to send the leads an SMS the moment they become a lead, where we're going to ask them that, hey, do they really want an estimate, and if they've given us their correct phone number. Once we know those things are true, where they reply with a yes, that's when we're going to count them as a pre-qualified lead. And then the lead information will be delivered instantly to our end clients via SMS and email. And seconds after that, we have this call trigger feature, which is a very unique feature, where it's going to call our client's front desk. So this is what our system does. It's going to call the client front desk, and then it's going to call the lead, and it's going to bridge the calls, which is going to ensure that you're calling the leads in less than 2 minutes, which is very important. Half of the battle is generating these leads, which is like the easiest part. The hard part is, what happens after you get the lead, which is you're going to call them immediately, and then obviously your sales process and all that. So you're going to set the appointment, show up, give the estimate, close. Now, one important thing I was going to go over is when we're creating our forms, we have conditional logic on the forms, which we're just only going to let people come through based on whatever criteria we have. And one of the most important one is the timeline where they're looking to start. So on the form at the end, we're going to ask them, hey, how soon are you looking to get this project started? Option A would be ASAP. Option 2 would be within the next 60 days. The third option is like just browsing or not ready yet. So if somebody selects ASAP within 60 days, we let them come through. If they select not ready, or to just shopping around and all that, we just disqualify them. We don't even talk to them. So that's very important when we're coming up with the pre-qualifying the leads. You want the leads who are ready either now or within the next 60 days or within the next 90 days. The rest, we just disqualify them. Now, for the leads that don't reply with a yes right away here, we have 4 more follow-ups that go out. So the first follow-up would go out right after the leads come in, 5 to 10 seconds. The next one would go after 10 minutes. So the goal is to get that yes from them. So we follow up. The third one would go out after an hour, and the last one goes in 4 hours. And anywhere here, when they reply with a yes, they again come to this branch, and then the same thing happens. Now, for the leads who submit the form, put an invalid phone number, replied they're not interested, or they just opted out, they go down the trash. Our end client's never even going to see them. And that's about it. Now, if you own a home improvement company and you're looking to consistently get more exclusive pre-qualified leads and grow your business, then I'm going to leave a link down in the description of this video. You can book a call with me or somebody on the team. We'll go over a quick, 10-15 minute phone call, see where you're at, where you're trying to go, and see if this is a right fit. And yeah, that's about it.